Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tayyib Imran. In this video, I am going to show you 8 different techniques or methods through which you can do effective product hunting. So if you are a beginner, please watch this video till end. Why do we give up so quickly when hunting for a product? As a beginner, we only go to the black box or opportunity finder, and these tools just give us specific products that are not different from others, and everyone is doing it. Itself, product hunting is a very interesting skill, and so as not to make it boring or an hectic job for you, you have to do it properly. How you can do it properly, we will see in the next slides. If you wanted to do effective product research, you need to think exceptional and try out some new techniques and come up with some unique ideas. Now the question arises, how to get these ideas? There are different tools, marketplaces, and websites are available to help us. For example, Google. Just go on Google, start typing kitchen products, sports accessories, arts and crafts. There are many niches you can explore on Google. Pinterest. In Pakistan, mostly people don't know the marketing potential of Pinterest. Pinterest is the third largest search engine in the USA after Google and YouTube. It won't be wrong if we say Pinterest is the second search engine for shopping and shopping ideas in the USA after Amazon. Pinterest ads are 40% cheaper ads than many other marketplaces. You can engage 3 times more traffic when you are applying ads. Amazing results for sales sometimes organically means without ads. But your product needs to be suitable for the demographics of that platform. Next, Amazon bestsellers, subcategories, new releases. Just go on Amazon, open bestsellers, get into their categories, subcategories, see all the products. You will get a lot of ideas from there, and go on new releases. You will get million of products there, or if you don't getting million, you will get thousands of products there. Alibaba. Alibaba is the second largest marketplace of the world, or the largest B2B marketplace of the world. Just go on Alibaba, check niches, contact suppliers, go into different categories, explore it. You will find some products, very potential products. I have find some very potential products from Alibaba. eBay. Like, Amazon is not the only marketplace of the world. There are many marketplaces like eBay, Etsy. Just go on them, get into their categories, subcategories, see all the products which are launched there. You will get a lot of ideas from there. Same for Walmart. Go on it, see their categories, their subcategories, what are the products launched there. You will get ideas. Reviews, names. It's also a different method for product hunting. People don't use it, I don't know why, but just go on Amazon. Every person on Amazon, when he buys a thing, he had option to review it. Mostly people don't, but some gives a review. Just click on that reviewer's name. You can see every product they had ever reviewed. Just go on it. You can see the, like, he's living in US, so he had reviewed the products which you don't know that it is existing in that marketplace. So you will get some that ideas which you don't know, or you cannot know about from staying here in Pakistan. Think different. Like in tools, Helium, there is not only black box from where you can take ideas, there is Magnet and Cerebro as well. You can take ideas from there. All the above mentioned methods for product hunting, from them you can hunt a product without using tools except Magnet and Cerebro. You can hunt multiple products without using tools. The above mentioned all the methods you can do product hunting without using tools. Are you still confused about product hunting and how to get new ideas? If so, please let me know. I would love to make a detailed video about product hunting techniques. Thank you so much. If you like it, please give me a feedback in the comment section. Thank you.